guys can get the whole concept of me styling this curly hair. Now curly hair for the summertime definitely needs to be styled. Sometimes you can't walk outside and just wear the curls like that just because it'll catch a lot of wind and frizz. So what I'm using is a Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So I'm running this through the entire unit. So I did pre-wet this unit before and make sure that it was nice and damp before I added this styling mousse. I am going to go in with another product, the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. Now I use that as a kind of like a product just to help the hair not be so frizzy. So these are the two things that I use to create a nice kind of like curly, pretty, shiny look. Is that once you finish putting these products in the hair, it is really important that you do not touch the hair after. So what I'm going to do is play with the baby hairs. I'm going to lay them down. I'm going to put a headscarf down, wait about like 15 to 20 minutes once the curls kind of fully dried, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. When you touch the curls and manipulate them too much, you kind of mess up the curl pattern. This moment right here is a moment where you really want to make sure that they're defined and that they're perfect. people, so this is the final look of this unit. So this unit was sent to me from YS Wigs. Now this is a 360 curly unit. It's 24 inches long. So I wanted to show you guys how I kind of styled this unit. So I did use two products to kind of get these curls to kind of pop, pop, pop. So I did use my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I also used the Cream of Nature styling mousse as well, just to kind of define the curls. Now this is my first time using the Cream of Nature's products, so I actually think it came out really good. It definitely defined the curls and made the curls pop really nicely. Now I know it's kind of a natural hair product, people use it on their natural hair, but you can definitely use it on your curly hair or any type of, you know, virgin hair that you have. I kind of felt like it didn't leave this hair dry. It definitely kind of emphasized the curl pattern. Now with this one, I didn't want to do too much of a part just because I did like how the lace looked and how nice and kind of like pre-plucked it was. So all I did was just go in, lay this unit down with the Got2b glue method. I did go in and play with the baby hairs a little bit and try to give it like a realistic hairline. I'll try to show you guys up close so you guys can see it. Ooh, my makeup is pumping. I'm not used to eyeshadows, but I tried something new this time. I'm still kind of getting used to it. It's a little bit of a shock factor for me, but you know. So I do like this. I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to try to do maybe like a middle part style with this, just because I feel like the whole flip over method is super duper long. It's all 24 inches long. It's just kind of crowding it in my face like this. So I'm probably going to take this and middle part it, or I'm probably just going to do like a top half up, half down with the top bun at the top and just leave the curls in the back. I do think that this is really nice. It's super duper soft. I did customize the hairline all the way through. But obviously the side that's showing more, I actually go in and customize that a little bit more deeper so that you guys get the full realistic look of this unit. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this baby from this company. Do not forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!